Alright, you ever go to wash one of those polyester pillows and you gotta hold it down and push it and put bricks on it just to wash it, and it still just pops right back up to the surface? The only way to avoid that is you rip it on top. Some people put a zipper there. I don't. Actually, no one puts a zipper there because it's my idea. So, no zippers. And a hole at the bottom. Then, without drenching yourself, you put the hose in the pillow like that. Now, observe the freaking water will drain out of the bottom eventually after it fills up. That's it. That's the only way to get the inside of these pillows clean. Just, a little FYI.